So welcome guys. So there is an update for those who are searching for a job. So Unacademy is going to hire the developers and some MBA graduates through the tournaments called Relevel tournaments. So there are I think 100 plus companies which are going to hire the peoples through this tournament. So first of all I want to clear that there is might be some registration fee to register for this tournament, and there are some steps through which you have to go and you have to crack the tournament, like you have to register till 22nd June prelims. Okay, this might be an aptitude. Okay, and advanced challenges results announced. Okay, so I think there are three categories. Okay, oh nice UI. Okay, correct है यार, सही है. So if you go here, you will see the three options, like they have categorized like business development, front end development, back end development. So I will click for back end development. Okay, so there are top 100 plus spots at India's finest companies. Okay, so what will be the procedure? Okay, first we have to register. The registration will close on 22nd June. Okay, so first challenge will be the aptitude of 2.5 hours, then coding round. After that, okay, software architecture. After that, programming fundamentals. Okay, experience engineer on your ability to solve real life problems. Okay, then team player, and after this all you will get a job. Okay, you will get an offer letter. So there is a fee to register for this tournament, that is 1999. I think this is for backend development. Okay, so that's the thing. If you are able, if you know all the things like software architecture plus data structures, and you are good enough to crack this interview, so please go on and crack this one. So thank you guys.